press corps, we thank you always for being here and for your support in this project called Nigeria. And we want to salute your courage and for your own contribution to the sustenance of democracy. Because without you, the communication cannot be there for people to understand the perspective from different political actors in this country. And so this afternoon, we've called you on a single item briefing. I know there are a lot of issues that's there in the public domain that requires information, and that I know that you are eager to have those conversations. But today we're talking about the development in Rivers State. I want to focus on that. And I want to give you my assurance that there will be, by early next week, because tomorrow and next I won't be in town, we'll have a whole hour at your instance, a full briefing on all issues. I know there's several issues that are pending. The regime of imposition of crazy taxes on Nigerians and a whole lot of other things. The insecurity, the coastal road. I know these are many issues that we need to talk about. And of course, our own party. So I just want to thank you for coming. And then we can go to the text of today's conversation. And we are saying to the APC, perish the thoughts of forceful takeover of Rivers State. The attention of the leadership of the People's Democratic Party has been drawn to a delusional declaration by the chairman of the All Progressive Congress in Rivers State, Mr. Okocha, wherein he issued a hallucinatory directive that an impeachment proceedings be commenced against the democratically elected governor of Rivers State, Siminalayi Fubara. Such reckless and unwarranted statement by the APC Chairman in Rivers State exposes the vile desperation of the APC, which is roundly rejected by the Rivers State people to use violence, coercion, and bullying to undermine the will of the people and forcefully take over the state. The fact that the Rivers State APC Chairman, in his warped imagination, thinks he can direct impeachment proceedings against a duly elected governor not only shows the level of APC's arrogance and condescension for the people of Rivers State, but also further confirms APC's desperation to forcefully annex their democratic rights under the Constitution. In any event, the individuals that the Rivers State APC Chairman directed to commence impeachment proceedings against Governor Fubara are not legally members of the Rivers State House of Assembly and cannot contemplate or exercise such powers under the law. These individuals, by virtue of Section 1091G of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999, as amended, have since vacated and lost their seats, rights, privileges, recognition, and obligations accruable to members of the Rivers State House of Assembly after their defection from the PDP, the political party platform upon which they were elected to the Rivers State House of Assembly. For emphasis, we quote Section 1091G, and it provides a member of a House of Assembly shall vacate his seats in the House if G, being a person whose election to the House of Assembly was sponsored by a political party, he becomes a member of another political party before the expiration of the period for which that House was elected. It should be noted that Section 1091G of the Constitution is self-executory. That word is very important. The moment you do that, it kicks in automatically. So it is self-executory, it does not require any other action. That's why the provision says shall. The import of these provisions is that the members of the Rivers State House of Assembly who defected has vacated their seat by reason of that defection. The unlawful directive by the Rivers State APC Chairman to these individuals to commence an impeachment proceeding against the governor is therefore a brazen call for anarchy, as it amounts to an attempt to forcefully overthrow a democratic order in clear violation of Section 1, subsection 2 of the 1999 Constitution as amended. For clarity again, Section 1, subsection 2 of the 1999 Constitution as amended provides, and I quote, it says, "The Federal Republic of Nigeria shall not be governed, nor shall any person or group of persons take control of the government of Nigeria or any part thereof." Any part thereof in this instance is Rivers State, except in accordance with the provisions of this Constitution. The PDP therefore draws the attention of the Inspector General of Police to the subversive utterances of the APC Chairman in Rivers State, which is capable of triggering crisis and derailing the democratic order in the country. The APC must perish. And I emphasize the word perish. It should perish the thought of forcefully taking over Rivers State. As such, it's a direct assault on the sensibility of the people, which will be resisted firmly. The APC chairman in Rivers State should come to terms with the fact that Rivers State is home to PDP and that the people of Rivers State are not ready to put their destiny in the hands of a corrupt, oppressive, and anti-people special purpose vehicle like the APC. The national leadership of the PDP expresses appreciation to the people of Rivers State for always standing with the PDP and urges them to continue to resist the APC in its vicious attempt to inject violence and destabilize the state. I thank you very much for listening and for your time. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable MPS. It's very straightforward.